Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. So, in this video, I will discuss with you the topic of the health. So, introduction, definition, changing concept of health, spectrum of health, concept of causations, changing concepts in public health, and minimum development goals. So, primary health in India, concept of prevision, conclusion, and reference. So, first of all, we see the introduction. Health is a common theme in most culture. In some culture, health and harmony and consider equivalent. Health, absence of disease, harmony, being at peace with the self, the commitment, God, and the cosmos. So, this is the introduction. Definition: health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well being, and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. Ruse 1948. So, the meaning of WH, World Health Organization, in 1948 introduced the definition of health in the statement which I discussed with you, that the health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. Okay, so this is the definition, and in the other previous slide I discussed with you the introduction, and this is the definition. Next we see the mental, social, physical health. So, the changing concept of health: biomedical concept, ecological concept, psychological concept, and holistic concept. So, these are the changing concept of health. Biomedical concept: absence of disease, adequate to solve major health problems, malnutrition, chronic diseases, accidents. Ecological concept: dynamic equilibrium between man and his environment, maladjustment of the human organisms to environment. Psychological concept: health is influenced by social, psychological, culture, economics, and political factors. Holistical concepts: all secrets of society have an effect on health. Health impels a sound mind in a sound body, in a sound family, in a sound environment. So the spectrums of the health is positive health, better health, freedom from sickness, unrecognized sickness, mild sickness, severe sickness, and death. So the epidemiological trait, multifactorially causation, natural history of disease, web of causation, risk factor and risk group, spectrum of disease, equilibrium of disease. So the epidemiological trait is environment, agent, and host. Okay, so the agent: an agent as an element or a substances, animated or inanimated, the presence or absence of it may initiate or perpetuate a disease process. Nutritional agent: carbohydrate, vitamin, fat, protein,